This is Venkat Kotta, IIT NEET Senior Faculty in Physics. I have 18 years experience. Students, today we are going to discuss laws of motion or Newton laws of motion, connected bodies. Let us consider two blocks, M1 and M2, connected with a string, kept on smooth horizontal surface. A force is applied on M2 right side. Then what is the acceleration of these two blocks and acceleration of the string and tension in the string? So here what is the string first of all? String is nothing but inextensible massless string. Inextensible. While moving it doesn't change its length. It is unstretchable string. So here inextensible string and massless. Massless is nothing but mass of the string is very small comparable to mass of the blocks. Okay, then so here string is nothing but, so first of all we discuss string. String having these three characteristics. One is inextensible, and next one is massless, and third point is remains taut, tight string. So here these are the characteristics of string: inextensible, massless, remains taut. Suppose this is the string and see in magnifying way. So here the string having number of particles, each and every particle move with the same velocity in motion. Suppose this point is velocity v. What about this? V. This is also v. Each and every point having same velocity. Suppose this point is acceleration a and this point also a. All are having same acceleration, same speed and same displacement. That's why these two blocks connected with string. That's why M2 is displaced 1 meter, M1 also displaced the same distance, same direction. It is the straight line. That's why it is displaced by 1 meter. This is also displaced by 1 meter. String also displaced by 1 meter. In each and every point displaced by 1 meter. Because here this is connected with an inextensible string. Okay, sir. Then what is the acceleration of the each block? We know that what is the tension direction at this point? Tension direction at this point is away from it. Already we studied in previous video. So here, what is the tension in the string at this point, this side? Okay, tension in the string is this point, this side. This point is opposite this side. Then what is the free body diagram for M1? FBD for M1. Okay, sir. FBD for M1. Here M1 mass is there. Its weight is acting vertically downward. Right, sir. Weight is acting vertically downward. Then normal reaction on M1 is vertically upward. This is M1. Right side string is there. Tension in the string is right side. M1 is what forces acting on M1? Its weight. Normal reaction on M1. Tension in the string. Normal reaction and weight is cancelled with each other. There is no movement along this side. This side there is no movement. It doesn't move this side. That's why these are equal in magnitude, opposite direction. That's why net force on M1. Net force on M1 is T. T equal to M1A. This is equation 1. Okay. For FBD for M2, sir. M2. For M2. So what forces acting on M2? Here M2G down, sir. Normal reaction on M2 is upward. Right side is F force. Left side is tension in the string on M2. So M2 moves this side with acceleration A. M1 also moves with acceleration A. Why M1 and M2 having same acceleration? Because it is connected by inextensible string, massless string. Inextensible string, that's why you are both having same acceleration, as well as string also same acceleration of the blocks. Okay, sir, here. So these two cancel with each other, balance with each other. Net force acting on it is F minus T is equal to M2A. What is this? Is the equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 with 2, we get answer. We get answer. So here T plus F minus T, equation 1 plus 2 is equal to M1A plus M2A, sir. So T cancels, sir. F is equal to M1 plus M2, A is common. Okay, A is equal to, your answer is F by M1 plus M2, M1 plus M2. This is the acceleration of the each block. Acceleration of the each block as well as string acceleration. These two is over, which is equal to F by M1 plus M2. F is nothing but, for this case, F is applied force. Applied force this side, sir. Any force is opposite? No force opposite. Applied force this side, no force is opposite. That's why net force in this direction is applied force only. That's why F net divided by M1 plus M2 is nothing but acceleration of the block. It is nothing but net mass. Okay, this is the acceleration of each block as well as string. Okay, sir, here I want the tension in the string. Tension in the string which is connected between M1 and M2. Yeah, tension in the string. A value substitute in equation 1, we get answer T is equal to M1. A means F by M1 plus M2, tension in the string. So here 3 blocks is there. What is the acceleration of each block? And tension in the string which is connected between M1 and M2. Tension in the string which is connected M2 and M3. So here, what is the tension at this point? Tension direction this side, sir. Here 2 strings are there. That's why for a given string, tension is same. Here string changes, tension also change. Here T1 tension, here T2 tension. So here tension direction this side, T1 this side, sir. For this is this side. Okay. What about your tension? T2 this side. Tension at this point is left side, T2. Free body diagram for M1, M2, M3, we get answer. But here logic is there. So here they are connected with the strings, inextensible strings. Inextensible strings means it is not extended while moving. So here this is not extended, means M1 and M2 is attached like M2 and M3 and M2 and M3 also attached. That means here M1, M2, M3 is attached with each other. We apply a force acting on M1 plus M2 plus M3 this side. Net force is F. Why F, sir? There is no opposite force. Net force is F. Total mass M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here simple relation without using free body diagram, we get acceleration. So here acceleration is equal to acceleration of each block. Acceleration of M1 A, M2 also A, M3 also A. All are having same acceleration because they are connected with a string end to end. So here acceleration A is equal to net force by net mass. Net mass. Net force is beta, yes, capital F, sir. Net mass is M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the acceleration of the each block as well as strings. If we use, if it is used free body diagram, we get the same answer. Already we derived two block system. Derived two block system. So here acceleration of the block is equal to net force by m net. Okay, right? A equal to F by m1 plus m2 plus m3. We use free body diagram for m1. We get the tension in the string. For m1, free body diagram for m1, sir. m1g down, sir. n1 is up. So this side is T1. These two cancel with each other because balance with each other. Net force is nothing but T1. T1 equal to M1A. T1 equal to M1. A means M1. A means F by M1 plus M2 plus M3, sir. Yes. So what is these two is over better. What is the tension in the string which is connected M2 and M3? Here. We use free body diagram for M3. We get answer. So what forces here? This is M3G, sir. M3 is upward. Right side F. Left side T2. So it moves this side with acceleration A. So M3 and M3G is balanced with each other. Therefore net force is better. F minus T2 is equal to M3A. So here T2 is equal to F minus M3A. We know the F minus M3. A means F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Simplify this one. So here LCM is M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here this is here multiplied. M1F, M2F, M3F minus M3F plus M3F minus M3F cancel. That is nothing but M1 plus M2 F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here this is the T2. Tension of the string is how much? T2 equal to M1 plus M2 F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here simple thing is there. Suppose here 3-block system. If the 3-block system can be converted into 2-block system, we get answer easily. So here, this is the M1, M2, M3. Acceleration, simple way, this is the acceleration. A equal to net force by total mass. Then sir, here tension in the string between M1 and M2. Here this is the only, which tension is acting? Only T1 is acting. Free body diagram for this one, T1 equal to M1A. Okay, T1 is okay, sir. But T2 is some complication is there. So here, that's why here it is converted into 3-block system, converted into 2-block system. So consider these two is 1 block. These two is 1 block. That means M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 is 1 block. Consider 1 block. That means M1 plus M2. And other block only M3 is there. Here apply a force. I want tension at this point. So here I want tension. This side T2. So T2 is equal to free body diagram for M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2G down. Normal reaction up. Only right side force is T2. That's why T2 is the applied force. T2 is the net force. Net force equal to M1 plus M2A. T2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. A means F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here M1, M2 connected with a string. Force acting on M1 is this side. Smooth surface. Smooth surface. Here also same block, same string, same force applied, but force on M2. Here tension in the string is T1. Here tension in the string is T2. Then what is the ratio of T1, T2 is? So here, first, what is the acceleration of the each block for this case? Acceleration of the each block will be equal to, which is equal to same as that one. Because acceleration for first case, in case 1, here for first case, A1 is equal to net force by total mass. Net force is F only. No force opposite to F. That's why here net force is F. Net force by total mass. F by M1 plus M2. Acceleration of first case. Here I want tension. Tension this side, tension. Free body diagram for M2, that's why M2G downward direction, M2G downward direction. Normal reaction on M2 is up, that's why these two cancel with each other. M2G and N balance with each other. Net force acting on M2 is T1. T1 is equal to M2A, that is A1, which is equal to M2F by M1 plus M2, tension of the string in first case. For second case, acceleration of the each block equal to net force by net mass. Net force is capital F by net mass is M1 plus M2. Why sir here it is the smooth? There is no opposite to F, net force is nothing but capital F. So here free body diagram for M1. So T2 this side. T2 is equal to M1 A2 sir. M1 A2 is nothing but F by M1 plus M2. So your tension in the string in first case, tension in the string in second case, or ratio of these two is that is M2F by M1 plus M2 is M1F by, what about this? M1 plus M2. Which is cancel here? M1 plus M2 cancel, FF cancel. Which is equal to M2 is to M1. Your option is B. Suppose here same, but what is the ratio of acceleration? Acceleration of this one is A1, this one also A1. For this case, acceleration is A2, here also A2. What is the ratio of acceleration? Ratio of acceleration. Then second one, A1 is to A2 is. Option A, M1 is to M2. Option B, M2 is to M1. Option C, 1 is to 1. Option D, none of these. Your answer, A1 is to A2 will be same. That's why your acceleration in magnitude wise is same. 1 is to 1 is your answer, which is option C. Okay, right. Your 1 kg and 3 kg blocks are connected with a string, massless string, inextensible string, kept on smooth floor. Here also same blocks, smooth floor. Then force acting on 3 kg this side, first case. Second case, force acting on 1 kg this side. What is the tension in string, first case and second case? Same string, same masses, same force. But this case is force on 3 kg, this case is force on 1 kg. What is the tension in the string? Simple here, what is the acceleration of each block? Acceleration in first case, A1 equal to total force, net force. This side only. There is no opposite direction force. That's why here 24 by 4, which is equal to 6 meter per second square. Okay. What is the acceleration for this case? A2 equal to net force 24 divided by total mass 4, 6 meter per second square. Acceleration of each block in first case and second case will be same. Okay sir, what is the tension? Free body diagram, here free body diagram, tension T1 this side sir. Okay. At this point tension this side. Okay sir. So for 1 kg block, in first case, for 1 kg block for first case here right here, 1 kg block. So what force is acting on it? 1g down sir, 1g down. Normal reaction is up. So this side is T1. Okay. Therefore T1 is equal to 1 into T1 equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration 6. This is equation 1. For 3 kg block in second figure, 3 kg block. 3 kg block, what force is acting? 3G down, sir. Normal reaction up, sir. Then what about this side? T2. Therefore, on 3 kg. T2 is equal to 3 into acceleration. Acceleration 6. So this is equation 2. Dividing equation 1 and 2. We get the answer. T1 is to T2 is equal to 6 is 18. It is nothing but 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. Okay. Then next is second problem. Second problem. Here 2 blocks are there, 3 blocks are there, 2 kg and 3 kg. Another one is, that is 5 kg. Is connected with strings, massless string, kept on smooth horizontal floor. Then here force is applied, this side, what amount of force is acting on it? The force acting on it is 30 Newton. Then what is the acceleration of the each block? Acceleration of the each block is equal to, acceleration of each block is equal to net force 30 by 2 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 30 by 10, 3 meter per second square. Acceleration of 2 kg block, acceleration of 3 kg block as well as 5 kg block will be same at this side. What is the tension of the string which is connected between 2 kg and 3 kg? Take T1, here T2. Then free body diagram for 2 kg. For 2 kg free body diagram, we get answer, sir. So here, what forces acting on 2 kg? 2G down, normal reaction up. And the left side is T1, sir. Right side is 30, left side is 30 Newton, right side T1. So these two balance with each other. Okay. Therefore here it is moving this side. 30 minus T1 is equal to 2 into acceleration, acceleration 3. T1 equal to 30 minus 6, 24 Newton. Tension in the string which is connected between 2 kg and 3 kg. Then what about T2? For 5 kg block, easy better, 5 kg block, free body diagram for 5 kg, 5G down, normal reaction up. Right side, there is no force, left side is T2 is there. That's why T2 is acts as a net force because these two cancel. Where, which is equal to 5 kg, no? 5 into 3. That's why T2 equal to 15 Newton. Here 2 blocks are there. One is 2 kg block, another one 3 kg block connected with a inextensible string and massless string and kept on floor, and it is pulled by a force 15 Newton, making an angle with the horizontal as shown in figure. Okay, what is the normal reaction on 2 kg block? Normal reaction on 4 kg block, acceleration of the each block, tension in the string which is connected between 2 kg and 4 kg. So how to solve, sir? Here we know the normal reaction. We know normal reaction. Here for 2 kg block beta. FBD for 2 kg block. Here the weight of the block is acting vertically downward, 2G downward. Normal reaction on 2 kg block is upward direction. Exactly upward, this is the normal reaction. So here tension in the string at this point is this side, sir. This is tension T. Here sir, tension opposite is T. Yes. So here on 2 kg block this side T. Okay. Here 2 kg block. Here there is no motion along this side. N is balanced by 2 kg. So normal reaction, first question is normal reaction is over beta. Normal reaction is on 2 kg block. On 2 kg block. on 2 kg block is N is equal to 2G. 2 into G value is considered as take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Here 10, which is equal to 20 Newton. 20 Newton. So here normal reaction is 20 Newton meter. Right, sir? So here what is the normal reaction on 4 kg block? FBD for 4 kg block. So 4G is down for 4G for 4 kg. For 4 kg. Yes, sir. Upward is what? That is the normal reaction. Suppose you take this is the N1, 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 take this is N, whatever. So here, tension is exactly this side. But no force is this side. The force is making some angle with horizontal. It is can be resolved into 15 cos 37 and this side is 15 sin 37. So here exactly this side is 15 sin 37. Sir, this side is what? 15 cos 37. 15 cos 37. Okay, right. So here there is no motion along this side. That means upward forces balanced with downward forces. Normal reaction for this case, N2 plus 15 sin 37 must be equal to 4 into G, sir. N2 plus 15 into sin 37, 3 by 5, which is equal to 4 into 10. So once it is the 3's, N2 is equal to 40 minus 9, N2 is 31 Newton. So here 31 Newton, N2 is normal reaction on 4 kg block. Then what is the acceleration of each block? FBD for this one. Here write better FBD. So these two cancel, sir. Yes. T is equal to 2A, equation 1. For this case, these two cancel. That means here 15 cos 37 4 by 5 minus T is equal to 4A. This is the 4 kg now. This moves this side. This also moves this side. Okay. That is 4A. So here once, what about here? 3's. 12 minus T equal to 4A, sir. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get the answer. Adding equation 1 and 2, your answer is dt cancel. 12 is equal to 2A plus 4A. Here 6A is equal to 12. A equal to 2 meter per second square. So here acceleration of 2 kg block, 4 kg block as well as string is same acceleration, that is 2 meter per second square. So here what is the force along this side? 12 Newton. This side. This side is 12 Newton. There is no force opposite. Net force is 12. Net force by total mass. 2 plus 4, 6. That's why acceleration is equal to simple relation F net by M net, sir. F net is 12, sir, along the horizontal. M net is 6, 2 meter per second square. This also acceleration. So here this is the acceleration of the each block. Then these 3 points is over. Next, what about the tension in the string which is connected between 2 kg and 4 kg? Simple, sir. FBD for this one. We use this relation. From this, we get the answer. Tension in the string T is equal to 2 into A is 2. That is 4 Newton. Tension between 2 kg block and 4 kg block. 4 Newton tension. Okay, thank you very much.